Hello. Hi. Trust me. Hello, my name is Sami Pearce, and this is the Pearce family farm, and this is my chicken. Her name is Alfalfa.
I think my chicken needs to poop.
Charlotte. Okay. Well, this is Charlotte.
That's AJ.
This is Charlotte Pearce. She's my sister, and then that
AJ.
is AJ. That's Alfalfa Jr. Alfalfa and AJ are sisters.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.